everyone and welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in finance, banking or risk management, you might have heard about the FRM qualification. But many students still have questions like, what exactly is the FRM course? Is it worth doing? How difficult are the exams? Who should actually pursue it? So in this video, I'll explain everything you need to know about the FRM qualification in a very simple way. We'll cover what FRM actually is, the fee structure, the exam structure, duration, who should pursue it, the advantages and disadvantages, career opportunities after FRM, and everything else. So by the end of this video, you'll have a complete understanding of the FRM course. So let's begin. So what exactly is FRM? FRM stands for Financial Risk Manager. It is a globally recognized professional certification in the field of risk management. The FRM qualification is offered by an organization called GARP, which stands for Global Association of Risk Professionals. The main focus of the FRM program is to teach professionals how to identify, analyze, and manage financial risk. In the financial world, organizations constantly face different types of risk, such as material risk, credit risk, liquidity risk, operational risk. FRM professionals are trained to analyze this risk and help organizations manage them effectively. This is why FRM professionals are highly valued in banks, financial institutions, investment firms, and consulting companies. Now let's talk about the FRM exam structure. The FRM program consists of two exams. These are FRM Part 1 and FRM Part 2. You must pass Part 1 before attempting your Part 2. FRM Part 1 focuses on fundamental concepts of risk management. The main subjects include foundations of risk management, quantitative analysis, financial markets and products, valuation and risk models. This level focuses more on concepts and calculation related to risk. The part 2 is more practical and application based. The subjects include market risk measurement, credit risk measurement, operational risk, liquidity and treasury risk, investment risk management, current issues in financial markets, and much more. Part 2 focuses more on real-world management and applications. Both of these exams are computer-based multiple choice exams. The Part 1 has 100 multiple choice questions and a 4 hours duration. Part 2 also has 4 hours duration, but it only has 80 multiple choice questions. These exams are conducted twice in a year, in May and November. The duration of the course depends on how quickly you clear the exams. In theory, you can complete the FRM program in about 1 year if you pass both exams consequently. But however, most students take about 1.5 years to 2 years depending on the preparations of exam attempts. After passing both exams, you also need to complete 2 years of relevant work experience in risk management or finance to officially receive the FRM designation. The cost of the FRM course mainly includes two fees, which is the enrollment fee and the exam fee. The enrollment fee is approximately $400 and this is paid only once when you first register for the FRM program. And then you have the exam fee, which is basically between $600 to $1,000 depending on whether you register early or late. So overall, the total cost of completing the FRM degree can be around $1,000 to $1,500 or more depending on the registration time and study materials cost extra. Now, who should pursue FRM? FRM is ideal for students who are interested in careers related to finance and risk management. This course is particularly suitable for finance students, commerce students, banking professionals, investment professionals, risk analysts. If you are interested in areas such as risk management, banking, investment analysis, financial markets, then FRM can be a very valuable qualification. However, if you are more interested in areas like auditing, accounting, or taxation, then other qualifications might be more suitable. Now, let's talk about some of the advantages of pursuing FRM. Firstly, FRM is a globally recognized certification. It is respected by financial institutions all around the world. Second, it provides deep knowledge of financial risk management, which is very important area in modern finance. Third, FRM can improve career opportunities in bank and financial institutions. Fourth, the program is relatively shorter compared to many other professional courses because it only has 2 exams. But like every qualification, even FRM has some limitations. First, the course is very specialized. It focuses mainly on risk management, so it might not be suitable for students who want broader finance or accounting careers. Second, the exam can be quite challenging, especially because they include quantitative and analytical topics. Third, passing the exam alone is not enough to receive the designation. You must also complete 2 years of relevant work experience. Now, let's talk about the career opportunities after passing the FRM. After completing the FRM qualifications, professionals can work in various roles such as risk analyst, credit risk manager, market risk analyst, investment risk manager, financial consultant, for risk management specialist. FRM professionals typically work in organizations like commercial banks, investment banks, asset management companies, consulting firms, and financial institutions. Since FRM is a specialized risk management qualification, professionals with this certification can access strong career opportunities in the finance industry. However, salaries depend on several factors such as experience, locations, job role, and your employer. But FRM professionals work in risk management and finance roles can build very strong long term careers in the financial sector. So, to summarize, FRM is a globally recognized certification in financial risk management. It consists of two exams, focuses heavily on risk analysis and financial markets, and can open doors to careers in banks, investment firms, and financial institutions. However, it is best suited for students who are specifically interested in risk management and finance careers. Before choosing any professional qualification, it is important to understand your interest and long term career goals. I hope this video helped you understand the FRM qualification clearly. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content on finance qualifications and career guidance. And if you have any questions about FRM or any other finance courses, feel free to leave them in the comments below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.